Rounding off and scientific notation. First I am going to explain scientific notation. Here the number is 7000. We can write 7000 as 7 times 1000. Then 1000 we can make 10 power of number. So 1000 means 10 power of 3. And easily we can identify this is the correct method. So this is the easiest way. Here 7000 we must make it into scientific notation. So 7000 means the decimal point is after this 0. Now we are going to move the decimal point. So if I move 1, 2, 3, it becomes 3 times. So we can say 10 times 10 power of 3. And 600 we can make 600 means 6 times 100. So 6 times 10 power of 2. And here the decimal point is after 0. We have to move to decimal point to whole number. So 1, 2, 10 power of 2. So that means 600 is here. We have to keep, when we make the scientific notation, we have to keep one number whole numbers and the other should be in decimal form. So that means 6.00 or 6.0. I will put. Then how many times the decimal move? 10 power of 2. So we can say 6 times 10 power of 2. And when we consider the third one, 2500, we can write it as 2.5 into 100. Can you understand? Here how many 2.5 into 1000. 2.5 into 1000. Then how can we make it then? 2.5 into 10 power of 3. And in easiest way, remember where is the decimal point? After 0. How do we want to keep? We must keep one number whole number and the other, if there are other numbers, we have to make it into decimal form. So our number is 2, 5, others are zeros. So if I need to put it in one number whole number and the others decimal form, so 2.5. That is the way, 2.5. Then how many times decimal move? At first it is at the back. 1, 2, 3. It moves 3 times. So 10 power of 3. That is also same way. 2.5 into 10 power of 3. And the other one. So 1630. I am going to write it in this way. So how do I want to write? One number is whole number and the other will be decimal form. What is the first number? 1. It is whole number, then decimal 630. Then how many times 10 power of what is? Now decimal is here, moving decimal between 1 and 6. So 1, 2, 3. It moves 3 times. That means 10 power of, and this is the number. So how do I want to write? 5 is the whole number, 0.678. I am not going to put 0 at the end. Then the decimal at the beginning is after 0. Now it is between 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power of 4. Next. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is at the beginning between 1 and 2, but we have to keep it with 2 and 4 because the whole 2 is the whole number and the others will be decimal. So it is between 1 and 2. Now we are going to move to 2, 4. Between 2, 4, 1, 2. It moves 2 times. So 10 power of 2. Next. At first it is between 7 and 2, but we have to keep it with 3, 7, between 3, 7. So it moves how many times? 1 time. That means 10 power of 1. Next. At the first it is between 2 and 7, but actually if it is scientific notation, first number, one number, whole number, others decimal. So it moves how many times? 1 time, 10 power of 1. 1.23 into 10 to the power. Now we will see this. It is already one number, whole number, others in the decimal form. So no need to change this. So nothing to change means 10 power of 0. And 5.7 into 10 to the power. Here also no need to change one number, whole number, other numbers are in the decimal form. So 10 power of 0. So I think you can understand 7 means 7 into 1000. So we can say 7 times 10 power of 3, or we can write it in the easiest way. We have to write the first number as the whole number. First number is the whole number and the others are decimal form. So 0 is the number. Then 10 power of. Then we have to make it into how many times it moves. Now earlier it is after 0. Now it is between 7 and 0. So how many times it moves? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 10 power of 3. 7 times 10 power of 3. Like that way all the numbers in the easiest way is, actually this is the happens. So to identify the easiest way, we have to write first number, whole number, and the others will be in the decimal form, and you check how many times the number move, the decimal move. So I'll erase these things. I explain these things. Next. Now, all are decimal numbers. Here 0.123, 0.0278, 0.0068, 0.000723, 0.0000567. These all are less than 1 numbers. Earlier we discussed more than 1. The numbers more than 1 we discussed here. Now we are going to discuss the numbers less than 1. So anyhow, so in the first method I will explain this one. 0.123 means we can write 123 divided by 1000. Can you understand? As a fraction. 123 equals 0.123 equals 123 divided by 1000. Then 123 into 10 power of 3. Okay, no? Then I can make that. In that method earlier we discussed. So 1.23 into 10 power of 2. Now divide by 1000 means it become minus. So 10 power of minus 3. Why is that? Could you remember in the indices, if it is 10 power of 3, if we take it into outside, change the position, it become negative. Negative indices, so like that way. Then 123 I have arranged 1.23 into 10 power of 2 and multiply by 10 power of minus 3. Minus 3 and plus 2 simplify, it become 1.23 into 10 to the power minus 1. That is the answer. How? Now I am going to explain how we want to take it in easiest way. I erase these things. Here 0.123. I told you we have to keep one number whole number and the others are in the decimal form. So 1, 2, 3. 1 is the whole number, others are in decimal form. Then we can write 10 power of also. Now the decimal have to move between 1 and 2. That means here we have to move the decimal one time. So it become negative, minus. How many times the decimal move? One time. So 10 power of minus 1. And the second one, in the easiest way, can you tell me? The numbers are 2, 7, 8. So we have to keep 2.78 because 2 is whole number, others are decimal form. Then, now we will check how many times the decimal move. How many times move? 2 between 2 and 7. So 1, 2. It moved 2 times. So answer is 10 power of minus 2. And I can explain it in the other way also. That is 278 as a fraction I am going to write 278 divided by 10,000. 278 we can arrange. Then in upper part when we arrange, what will happen? 2.78 into 10 to the power 2. And 10 power of 4 means 10,000 means 10 power of 4. Then when we take it up, 2.78 into 10 power of 2 into, it goes up, it becomes negative index. So minus 4. Now minus 4 plus 2, answer is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So answer is 2.78 into 10 power of minus 2. I will erase this one. So in the easiest way I am going to tell you the answer. 6.8 into 10 power of. How many times the decimal move? Between 6 and 8. How many times? 1, 2, 3. So 10 power of minus 3. The other question. 7.23 into 10 power of, moving the decimal to here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power of minus 4. Then 6.67 into 10 power of, can you tell me how many times? 10 power of minus 5. Yes, correct. How it is? Look at the previous one. Here, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So it become minus 4. Here only 2 zeros. It become minus 3. Here 1 zero. It become minus 2. Here no zeros. So it become minus 1. Then here 4 zeros. So we can say it become minus 5. Or we can count. Now it should be between 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now convert scientific notation into general form. Here 5.47 10 power of 1 means multiply by 10. When 5.47 multiply by 10 means have to multiply by 10 means move the decimal. So 54.7. Next, here 6.235 multiply by 10 to the power 2 means multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 means move the decimal twice. Move the decimal twice. Then actually 6 times 100 is 600 no? So it should be 600 something. So it is 623.5. Moving the decimal twice. Then earlier it is between 6 and 2. Moving the decimal twice 1, 2. So 623.5. Here 6.235 into 10 to the power 3 means 1000. Moving the decimal 3 times. So 6235. Earlier the decimal is between 6 and 2. I am going to move to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 6235. You can guess also 6,000 into 1000 is 6000. So 6000 something number. So that means 6235. Next 1.089. 1.089 multiply by 1000. Moving the decimal 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So it becomes 1080